Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable and manage head control for your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i. You have to start by open HUAWEI iLive application, but on iOS you can also use HUAWEI Connect application, and I will tell you how to find this feature also at this application. Open it at iLive. You need to click at your headphones at the device list, and it will open for you headphones menu. If you use HUAWEI Connect, it will already open for you headphones menu. Then you need to scroll down, and on iLive we have head control at the left side about the update, and on HUAWEI Connect we have it at the right side, so you need to find head control button. You will have the same button, the same icon here. Tap on it. Firstly, let's enable it, so click at the slider near to it. And now we have two features: answer the call and reject the call. And we can change it. So if you want to answer the call with shake your head, you just click at the answer the call, and on not, you select reject the call. You can leave answer the call, it's up to you. To disable head control, just tap one more at the head control, the slider near to the head control. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!